Hi, I'm Ali Atashberg, Assistant Educational Technologist at the University of Hertfordshire from LTIC team. Today I'm going to tell you what's the difference between module homepage and group homepage, how to see your homepage group, and I want to tell you how to create conferences in your group homepage, how to download it and re-upload it into a page. Also, I'm going to tell you about assignments section, how to upload your assignments. Okay, we're gonna start with a test module, and this is the homepage of our module. Obviously, you know every module has got its own code. As you can see, for example, this test module is 0TST0051. As a student, in your homepage, you just have the options home, units, discussions, assignments, people, conferences, collaborating, I guess, and chat. So here is a trick. Okay, from the interface perspective, it's a little bit hard for all of us to recognize which one is homepage of our module and which one is homepage of our specific group. So I'm going to take you to the homepage of the group and show you what's the difference. Whenever you click on module code, it takes you to the homepage of the module. But now I'm going to take you to your homepage group. By clicking on the people button, a new page appears that includes everyone and all the groups that you belong to. The name of the group might be different for your module. Here, the name of my group is groups. By clicking on the group, you can see subgroups. If you look carefully, you can see there is a visit in front of the subgroup 1. By clicking on the visit, you can see the homepage of our group. If you look carefully at the top of the page, you can see the name of subgroup in front of the module code, which means we are in our group homepage. As I said in the beginning of the tutorial, group homepage is a little bit similar to module homepage. The only thing group homepage doesn't have is assignment part. As you see, there is no assignment section in the taskbar. So now I'm going to move to how to create conferences. The reason that I want you to create your conferences in the group homepage is because the member of your subgroup are the only people who can see your conferences. And as far as this is your homepage group, you can mess around and do whatever you want, because this group homepage belongs to you and you're not going to bother anyone by testing and doing anything in this. Now we're going to start by clicking on the conferences section to take you in the conference page. By clicking on the red button plus conference, I can create my own conference. But before that, I'm just making sure in the top of my page that I'm in the right place, group 1 conferences. After clicking on the red button, a setup page pops up. In this page, you can change the name. For example, I write test 1. You can modify the duration. I leave it to 60 minutes. And if you want your conference being recorded, please tick the box, enable recording for this conference. And in the description, you can write whatever you like. It is optional. And also, if I don't want to invite all the members of the group, I just untick the invite all group members and choose the specific people that I want them to attend my conference. As an example, I tick a few of them. Then job's done. You're supposed to press update. Well, now in the new conferences section, you can see our conference test 1 appeared. By clicking on the start on the right hand side, our conference getting started. The name of the software that you're using for the conference in this place is Big Blue Button. So let me tell you something about this part. This page asks you if you want to use your microphone or listen only. Just wanted to tell you, make sure you're not using your microphone or webcam in any other places like Microsoft Teams or anything else at the same time that you're going to the conference in Big Blue Button here. And also you should allow your computer to access your audio, your microphone or your webcam. Well, in the top of the conference, if you click on the start recording, your session will be recorded. Underneath, by clicking on the left icon, you can unmute or mute yourself. The middle one is for your webcam. And the right one is for your screen if you want to share it or not. There are many options and features that you can use in Big Blue Button. For example, the blue circle plus underneath, when you click on it, You can do many things like sharing your video or presentation or anything. For example, I'm going to show you how to share your presentation. First of all, you're supposed to upload your presentation into the big blue button, and you can drag it here or maybe click on it and press upload. Then after a while, you can see your, for example, presentation on the page, on the screen. And this place is for users who attends your conference, as you can see. And this is the chat box. You can write whatever you want. And after everything finished, you just stop recording and end the meeting. After you've done with your conference, you're supposed to press end it now from here or anywhere. Then go back to the conference page. You can see your conference move to the conclude conference. As far as you can see, it's not clickable at the moment, but after a while, it would be clickable. Let me refresh my browser. There we go. Okay, after it turned to be clickable, by clicking on it, you can see underneath is written presentation, and you can click on it. By clicking on your presentation, you can see you recorded a conference. Now I'm going to tell you how to download your presentation, because Big Blue Button just keeping your presentation within 14 days. After that, it will be removed from Big Blue Button or from StudyNote or anywhere else. This is why I'm telling you how to download your presentation, and because later you're going to upload it to your module or send it as an assignment. As you can see, this is our presentation. I just click and start, and you can see everything that I recorded in a few seconds. By right clicking on the right hand side, you can see a menu. There is a save video as. This is the one that you're supposed to click on it, and bang, you can download it. There we go. This is our recorded conference that we can upload it anywhere, and we're not worried about Big Blue Button going to remove our presentation from that page. So now I'm going to tell you how to create a page in your home group and share your video. And before that, make sure you're in the group 1. By clicking on the page on the left hand side, you can see there is a add one or a red button written plus page. Both is the same. By clicking on it, a page is opened for you. You can call it whatever you want. For example, I call it conference video group 1, for example, or something. Here is the place that you can share your video. By this one, you can share a link, you can share a photo, and we need this. Upload recording media. By clicking on that, you can drag your video into this, or click on it and choose your video. In the second part, you can record. You can also embed your video from any other sources online. But now here, we just want to choose our recorded video that we've already downloaded. And here we go. You can see our video or our conference or something. Then press submit. And make sure in the option, you change the only member to anyone, in case anyone can change or modify or anything. And then press save. Congratulations. Job's done. The last thing that you should know how to upload your assignment, so we're going to tell you and cover the assignment section. As far as you have known, we have been in the group homepage and there is no assignment section in the group homepage, so we're supposed to return to the module homepage to see our assignment section. By clicking on the name of the group, we can see the code of our module, and again by clicking on the module code, we return to the home page of the module, the place that you can see the assignment section. By clicking on the assignment section, you can see the upcoming assignments section, the place that you can see all the upcoming assignments. As an example, the name of seminar video is our upcoming assignment that we're going to submit our file into. By clicking on the submit red button, you can upload it from many ways, but usually we upload a file. I upload it like this, and choose your file. You can comment here, and then submit your assignment. When you submit your assignment, and for example, you've done something wrong, you've uploaded something wrong, it's not end of the world. You can just resubmit your assignment and your tutor will check the latest version of your assignment. And you can see the details in the right hand side, 18th of June, for example, at 11:04. Submission details or anything. Okay, that's it. It was everything I covered. If you have any question, please keep in touch with your tutor.